Hi everybody, today we're doing an unboxing with a brand new brand that we recently brought on by TressAllure. Can't wait to show you. So we are unboxing Million Dollar Babe by TressAllure. This is from their new Iconic collection. TressAllure has really been working hard lately to do some rebranding. They're making some new styles. They have some new fibers which are really light and soft. Now, I have never tried a TressAllure wig. The only product I've ever used is their wig spray, the wig wax here, which is really good stuff. If you haven't tried that, I highly recommend that. It helps with flyaways, also helps with styling. But today's video is about unboxing Million Dollar Babe. I have her in chilled vanilla, which, and I'm really bad with all these numbers, is 613 1001 R18. So here she is in the box. Can't wait to take it out and show you. Again, this is the very first time I'm trying TressAllure, so I'm pretty excited. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and take her out. Be aware that the tag is actually kind of held into the edge of the box by these little tab things. So struggling a little bit here. One moment, please. There we go. Nicely packaged, and it also looks like she comes with a little wig sock too. Go ahead and take the net off here. Well, the fibers actually feel really nice. Probably not as soft as Bell Truss, but they feel really good, really soft. The density doesn't feel too bad. It feels like a light density. Let me hold it up so you can take a look. It feels like a light, probably light to medium density. Let me flip her back up so I can show you the cap. So Million Dollar Babe, she has a full mono top, lace front that extends into the ear tabs. She's wefted in the back, and I actually prefer the open wefted styles because they keep me a little bit cooler, feel a little more comfortable. The cap feels like it has a decent amount of stretch. It has the extended velvet. It actually feels more like velvet instead of velvet nape with the Velcro adjusters. Velvet ear tabs with the metal stays, and again, you know, the lace front that goes right into the ear tabs. So I can't wait to try this on. I'm going to go ahead and pop her on my head right out of the box without doing anything to her so we can take a look, and then we'll comb her out and style her a little bit so you can see the before and after. So here is Million Dollar Babe right out of the box. Again, this is in chilled vanilla. Looks like it's decently rooted, like maybe a medium brown root. Let's go ahead and look at the lace front. I'm actually pretty impressed with the lace front. It looks really nice. I am average size cap, kind of on the smaller side of average. I didn't adjust the adjusters at all, and this is actually fitting me pretty good. The cap feels really comfortable, and I have a little bit of room up on the top of my head. My head is built like Frankenstein. I have a very flat back of my head. So I do have a little bit of room here, but not bad. It actually feels really comfortable. I bring my Bell Truss Nottingham, you know, my ride or die here. I'm gonna bring her back into the camera so we can do a comparison on the colors. And again, TressAllure, they are doing a lot of rebranding, working a lot with their styles. They have some new colors coming out, so I can't wait to see those. But this chilled vanilla actually looks pretty nice. So I have now in my hand, instead of in my head, Bell Truss Nottingham and Crushed Almond Blonde. Let's take a look and compare here. Actually, it's pretty similar. Laura's chilled vanilla is maybe a little bit darker. I've got a little bit of shine, of course. You know, my Nottingham, I've She's probably towards the end of her life because I just wear the hell out of her. So, you know, you're gonna see more shine, of course, here on Chilled Vanilla, but the colors look pretty comparable. Um, so if you're looking for a sister color, if you're a Belle Tress wearer and you like Crushed Almond Blonde, I think this would be pretty close. So I'm gonna go ahead and break up the part, shake it out, comb it out a little bit. Then I'll come back and show you a little bit more, but this feels really comfortable on my head. You know, as a Belle Tress wig wearer, I find a lot of comfort in their caps, especially the City collection. I do have some hand tied, but again, I like that wefting. This cap feels really good. I think even more comfortable than Belle Tress. Really fits really well. So stay tuned. I'll show you what she looks like after I do a little bit of comb out and break up the part, and I'll be right back. So here she is, TressAllure's $1 Million Babe in Chilled Vanilla. Sorry, almost forgot the color name. I think she's really cute. Again, it has a full mono top, so you have that parting flexibility. I did break up the zigzag part and I moved it a little bit to the left. I really like the rooting on this. I think they did a great job with the rooting and the dimension, especially towards the top of the wig. It does, to be honest, it loses the dimension towards the bottom of the wig and it makes it really light. And I think it brings out the shine in this, even though this is a heat-friendly wig. I did have to use some dry spray on it to kind of tampen down the shine. So this is one you probably have to work with just a little bit because of the shine towards the end, just because they didn't bring that dark color all the way through. But this is really soft. The cap is so comfortable. Probably the most comfortable cap I've tried for me. I think it's a brand that's definitely worth a try. And for especially a small retailer like me, TressAllure has been exceptional to work with. Their rep has been very kind, very responsive. So I'm really looking forward to trying and showing more of the products by TressAllure. Take a look and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.